Hello everyone, my name is Lồng. Today I will talk about stopping absolute illness. What is bad? Oh, I took bird and I just small birds. What is dog? A dog is inside a dog. What is berry? I like eat berry. What is moon? A moon in the sky. Moon. What is horses? A horse is a black horses. What is pen? A pen is a red pen. What is sail? A sail is a sail on the grass. What is house? House is for a house. What is pig? A pig is the pig. Pig. What is tree? A tree is a big and tree is tree. I see you on the boy. Son, did you like a bird? I took like birds. Did you like birds? No. A dog, I love a dog. A dog is so. Look at the birds. Do you be careful of the birds? What a berry? I love berry on the moon. It's very nice. It's big on the very big. I don't like bird. A berry on the moon is a moon. What do you like? Look at your horses. A horse is some boy is on the ground. Wolf is a pair of horse. It's very good. So I can ride a horse. It's so much fun. It's so a book. A book is on the library. Then I get outside. Look at the shoe in your house. Do you wear shoe in your house? In the house, why do you hide a shoe on the back? I wear a shoe on your house. Why do you must look at the pig? A pig is very short. A short sleep on the tree. A pig sleep on the big tree. A star on the sleep in the tree. What do you do, boy? So, bye bye. See you next time. Bye for now. Bye. See you.
Rất là sánh. Hỏi vào mình nữa ấy.